Good Tuesday. What are we making here? That's too much stuff, I tell you. So I've already eaten lunch, so this is not for lunch, this will be for dinner. We're making chicken tandoori meatballs with a yogurt cream sauce. Cream sauce? Yogurt sauce. We're making, oh my God. Look at all the spices, man. With cucumber sauce. No. There's the yogurt. All right, where was I? Good Tuesday. I found one interesting video where they said, don't put the food coloring in, just make it a natural color. Because, you know, the tandoori chicken are usually very red. And I was tempted to buy the red powder, this red powder they use. We're not going to do that. We're going au naturel. And Parmesan cheese, garlic, onion, parsley, We'll make the yogurt sauce, we'll mix up the chicken, stick them back in the fridge for an hour or two, a couple hours, whenever we're ready. If you make up the chicken in advance, it will sit in the fridge and the juices of that will absorb into the panko crumbs and it will make it easier to roll balls. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking! Instead of using 4 cloves of garlic, I'm only using 1. I'll put the original recipe down below. I mushed it up and I mushed up some ginger. However much ginger and garlic you want to add, that's up to you. This isn't exactly as pasty as I wanted it, but that's what we're going to use. Let's get that garlic and ginger in there. You don't want to burn it. Just want to release those flavors. That's what we're doing. We're going to release the flavors of that paste so it'll be like you cooked it on the chicken. So good. I want to bring out that flavor. The flavor that you would have gotten if you cooked it on the chicken for all that time in the oven or on the barbecue. Get every drop. No spice left behind. Ooh, what a dark glob. We're gonna let this cool before we add the yogurt and lemon juice. Ooh, that's powerful. Ooh, zowie. I'm going to put this in the fridge for about an hour, because I am not ready to cook. How do I pick this up? You gotta take a bite, man. Oh. Ooh. We're taking a bite. Holy cow. Wow, that tastes really good. Wow. Where are the paper towels? Let's put a little bit more. You can't have enough yogurt sauce. Get it all over your hands. I got yogurt sauce in my hair. I can't put it down. That's very good. That is very good. Thanks for watching. Mmm. Mmm.